Don't mind the makeup on this thing. It's hard to like keep this thing clean because I always use it when I'm putting on my makeup. So it just is what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle with Prettiest Problem. If you are new here, welcome. I create videos on beauty, fitness, and lifestyle. I'm on my fitness journey, which is a continuous journey. I love posting motivational videos and all things beauty. So I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notifications so that you can be updated every time I post a new video. If you're an oldie but goodie, hey girl, hey, welcome back, and don't forget to thumbs up this video. In today's video, I just decided to do a date night look. I'm gonna do like a really soft, smoky eye, and I'm also going to skip like the face routine. So I just posted a video which I will link here in the cards. It was pretty much a basic face, so we don't have to go through all of that today. So today we're just going to focus on the eyes. I've already done my brows. I also have a brow routine. If you are interested, we're going to level up these brows in 2020. I did them a little bit darker today because I felt like, you know, a date night is probably going to be dark and, you know, sultry, so I wanted the brows to stand out a little bit. So these are my nighttime brows. So with all of that being said, if you would like to see how I get a beautiful date night look, then please stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do after our brows are done, I'm gonna prime my eyelids with a paint pot, and this is called Painterly by MAC. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush. This is gonna help the eyeshadow to stick nicely and not crease, and it's going to help them to stay on all night long. All night. Am I the only one that likes to smell good when I'm filming a video? I don't know what that's about. I always have to put on perfume when I'm filming a video. Today's perfume is here, my little Moschino teddy bear. I don't know the name of it, but it's a playful scent, I'll say. Okay, so now that we have primed, I'm trying to figure out how I did want it to be kind of simple, but I also have a few shadows and stuff that I want to play with. So I think I'm going to do like a purple smoky eye. We're just going to go for it today. I have these loose shadows that I've had for forever. So I'm just going to kind of go and play with some of these shadows. So the first thing that I'm going to take is this like coral color shadow right here. And I honestly don't know where I got this from, but it gives a nice good amount of product on the brush. So we're going to see how this works. And I'm just going to pat this right here in my crease, and I'm going to build that up. I don't typically do a lot of colored looks just because I am more of a neutral, we can wear this and not feel crazy look. But you know what? It's 2020 and I am going to start being outside of my comfort zone. The next color that I'm going to go into is this maroon color. It's winey maroon color, and I'm just going to pack that down a little bit further on my crease. I like things to softly transition. I'm not really big on like major colors. I'm probably gonna have to go back into that color and blend it out a little bit. I don't like the heaviness of placing those colors down. I really like them to blend. And I guess it's a little bit of a fear too of like it not blending well once I lay them down. Okay, I'm gonna go back into that pink color and just kind of blend that color out. Now I'm gonna go into this bright purple color right next to that plum right here with the same brush. And I'm gonna just go a little bit deeper and further down. I hope this is not a pure disaster. So I have this Pretty Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this on the same brush that I used to put on the paint pot, and I'm just going to cut my crease with this. I want to see how this is going to work. This is a really pretty color, so I'm just going to open my eye and cut my crease. And I have like a hood right there. As you can see, when I open up my eye, I just got to go over it with the shadow. I'm not going to pull it all the way down because I'm going to kind of make that outer corner dark. So I'll just pull it over to this corner. And I like this color because it has a pretty shift to it, the blue purple shift. I love those colors, very galactic. Now that I have my crease cut, I'm going to go into the outer corner. I'm going to go into my Conspiracy palette because they have a really nice matte black over here. And I'm going to go into the outer corner and smoke it out. Just right there in that little outer corner. And then I'm also going to kind of pull it up into this crease. Just slightly. See, I got a lot of fallout, so that's why I actually did this before my foundation, because I wanted to be able to wipe my face up. I didn't know what, honestly, I didn't know what direction I was going in. I thought it was gonna be a date night look. I mean, you could wear this for a date night, but I'm gonna wipe off the excess under my eyes. I'm gonna line my eyes and I'm gonna line it with some Wet n Wild liquid liner. And I'm gonna make a nice little wing. I got my lashes on and my liner, my winged liner. I'm just gonna cut here and I'm going to put on the rest of my face. Again, if you would like to see my foundation routine or a quick how to beat your face, then I'm gonna link that video up here, but I will be right back. So my face is on now. I'm gonna set my face now, and my favorite setting powder is this RCMA setting powder. So we're just gonna set this under eye concealer, pat it in with a damp beauty blender. And then I'm gonna finish the bottom of my eyes. I'm going to go back into that same like pink color, pink coral color. I'm gonna use a smaller fluffy brush and I'm just going to run that on the bottom of my eye. I'm just gonna follow the same pattern that we did on the top. I'm going into that same maroon color. And I'm just going back in with that black and going really, really close to the waterline. So now I'm going to bronze up my face, and I'm going to use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Darkest Deep, which I broke the other day and I'm really, really annoyed about it. But I'm just going to set that contour. Now I'm going to contour a little bit deeper, and I'm going to use this NARS powder in the color Heat. Looks like this. And I'm just going to take it on a brush and kind of go right into this. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with this NARS powder in the color Mountain. And I'm just going to go like right in here to wipe off that powder. Now I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills blush, apply that to my cheeks. It's a lot more pink than I would typically go, but I think it fits the color scheme. And last but not least, I'm going to highlight. I love this highlighter from It's My Ray Ray from BH Cosmetics. And it's this middle color. I don't know if you can see that. I kind of usually do these two together. I'm gonna spray my face with this Mario Badescu setting spray. And I'm gonna take the liner by ColourPop. It's called Control. No, can't see it. Okay, it's just a brown liner. This is Milk by Lime Crime. It's a pink color. I'm gonna do one more fun thing. I'm gonna put a little pop of color on the inner corner. I'm gonna put like a teal color. I think that'll be pretty. So this is the final look. Turned out different than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a nice little sultry date night, but it turned into whatever it turned into. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the look. She's kind of cute. She's galactic. I like this. I think I'm gonna start doing more cut creases because I'm just not really that comfortable with them, but they actually turn out pretty, I've been doing okay with them. So I like this look. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. If you like it, give me a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, and if you're wondering, the wig is from Prettiest Strands, and this frontal is laid and slayed, honey. I don't know if y'all seen my last frontal install, which was kind of a struggle city. This one was much better, so I may do an updated routine because I think I got a little bit better. I've been watching some videos and trying to like up my game because I'm really like trying to take this wig thing seriously because I really like making them and I love wearing them, obviously. But yeah, she did that, if I do say so myself. Thank y'all for watching.